Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, in this video I want to explain about technical analysis. Please like and comment my video. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is a trade analysis used to evaluate investment and identify trading opportunities by analyzing statistical trends collected from trading activities such as price and volume movement. Unlike fundamental analysis, who try to evaluate the intrinsic value of an effect, technical analysis focus on pattern of price movement, trading signal, and various other analytical charting tools to evaluate the strength or weakness of an effect. Technical analysis can be used on any investment instrument with historical trade data. This includes stock, futures, commodities, fixed income, currencies, and others. Actually, technical analysis is far more prevalent in commodity and variety exchange market where traders focus on short-term price movement. So, technical analysis is the science of trading that is to evaluate investment and identify trading opportunities in trend and price patterns seen on chart. Conceptually, technical analysts believe that past trading activities and changes in securities price can be valuable indicator of future securities price movement. Technical analysis can be contrasted with fundamental analysis, which focus on corporate finance rather than historical price pattern or stock trend. How do technical analysis? Technical analysis tries to estimate the price movement of almost all tradable instruments, which are generally subject to the strength of supply and demand, including stock, bonds, futures, and currency pairs. In fact, some see technical analysis only as a study of the power of supply and demand as reflected in the market price movement of an effect. Technical analysis most commonly applies the price change, but some analysis consider number other than price, such as trading volume or market interest. Generally, technical analysis the following types of broad indicators. Number 1 is price trend. Number 2, graphic pattern. Number 3, volume and momentum indicators. Number 4 is oscillator. Number 5 is moving average. Number 6 is level supports and resistance. Basic principle of technical analysis. Number 1 is market discount everything. Many experts criticize technical analysis because it only considers price movement and ignores fundamental factors. Technical analysis believes that everything from corporate fundamental to broad market factor to market psychology is valid in stock. This eliminates the need to consider factors separately before making an investment decision. The only thing left is an analysis of price movement, which is seen by technical analysis as a product of supply and demand for certain stock in the market. Number 2 is price move in a trend. Technical analysts believe that price move in the short, medium, and long-term trends. In other words, stock prices are more likely to continue past trend rather than erratic moves. Most technical trading strategies are based on this assumption. Number 3 is history trend to be repeated. Technical analysis believe this history tends to repeat itself. Why? The repetitive nature of price movement is often associated with market psychology, which tends to be very predictable based on emotions such as fear or excitement. Technical analysis use chart pattern to analyze these emotions and subsequent market movement to understand trends. While many forms of technical analysis have been used for more than 100 years, they are still believed to be relevant because they illustrate the pattern of price movement that often recur. This theory basically explains that stock price movement can be grouped into three, namely, number one is primary trend. Primary trend is price movement in a long time or several years. Number two is secondary trend or immediate trend is the price movement that occurs during the price movement in the primary trend. Number three is minor trend or day-to-day move is a price fluctuation that occurs every day. Technical analysis is different from fundamental analysis because stock price and volume are the only input. The core assumption is that all non-fundamentals are taken into account in price, thus there is so need to pay attention to other data. Technical analysis don't try to measure the intrinsic value of the company, but use stock chart to identify patterns and trends that indicate what stock will do in the future. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for your attention, and I am sorry for some mistake. And I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget like and comment.